Welcome back, everybody. So here on the channel, we are going to talk a little bit about our stuff here that we're doing with Black Beauty and the rust that we got to get cleaned up on her and get her ready for Daytona truck meet in 2021. Yep, that's it. We are going to Daytona for this year to go and show off some of our work that we can do. So we got a lot of work to do, so stay tuned. Super excited to see you guys today. Check it out. We got Black Beauty. We are getting her ready for Daytona Truck Week. She is going to be getting a huge makeover. We're going to be getting all the rust and everything fixed. Try to get this all done before Daytona Truck Week in June. So as you can see, we got the interior. We're getting torn apart right now. We're going to rip all this carpet out of here. Get some new seats put in this. Some leather seats, some new carpet. Redo some of the wiring. Put a massive sound system in this and get it ready for Daytona. So here she is. I didn't realize the driver's side floor was this bad, but definitely bad. So we are going to order a new pan for this. We do have the panels for the rockers here and the back quarters here. That side's not that bad, needs cleaned up really good. As you can see, it's just mainly surface rust over there. So we're gonna get that all cleaned up really good. I'm kind of concerned about this area here, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up. That's the only other major spot there we're gonna get cleaned up. We're gonna get a trunk floor for this and get it all cut out, put new metal in here, and then we are gonna Herculine the inside of this to get this all ready to put Dynamat back in, because we're gonna be putting subs and some other stuff back here, and redo the headliner with the Starlight modification. So we got the lights, the RGB lights up there, and then get this all cleaned up and get new carpet put in. Like I said, we got new panels already for the rockers here, which are shot. This quarter is actually not too bad. It's probably salvageable, but what I'm concerned about is down here. So we got a whole new section for right here. We're gonna cut all this out, get it laid down. We're gonna try a new technique that I was talking to one of my buddies with, and they said that gluing the panels is actually a new way of doing some of this instead of having to weld. So we're gonna give it a shot, see how well it works out, and get her ready. We're gonna be repainting the outside of the body before Daytona. So hope you guys see you there. You guys will see this finished product on there if you guys want to meet up. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of work that we're still working through. From the time lapse, you guys saw some of the progress that we made. We had to cut out a lot of these bolts because these bolts are rusted in and it's been pretty bad. It's like 26, 27 years old. This truck is abused most of its life as a snow plow, but we are going to rejuve it. This truck here, I feel like it's a pretty decent truck to go to repair. You don't see any of these factory 6.5 turbo diesels in these trucks, and this one here, I'm thinking the color on the floor looks a little like an army green, like they originally built it for that, but I can't really tell. I don't know if maybe it's a primer. I'm gonna do some more research on that, but super excited. We got the interior all gutted. Get this all finished up, get the new pans put in, get it painted, and then we'll see you guys down in Daytona. Stay tuned for part 2 coming up as far as where we're getting with this, where we start replacing the rocker panels, and then we start replacing the quarter panels as well too. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you guys are new. Give me the thumbs up on this, and also yeah, that's it. So see you guys next time.